Hello, my name is Huang Yiming and I just graduated from the University of Hong Kong, majored in Education and Technology. I designed structured digital learning experience to improve the comprehension and engagement. I also built some learning systems that achieved the 97% role adaptation and also skilled at cross-cultural communication and multimedia content creation. I'm inspired by Tobin's work about sustainability and digital solution. I'm confident that my skills about instructional design and multimedia creation and bilingual collaboration can contribute to your global project. 大家好，我嘅中文名叫做黃依明，我係今年喺香港大學畢業嘅碩士生，主修嘅係教育同埋科技。我喺以往嘅實習經驗中有關於企業培訓嘅，咁有關新人培訓係達到97%嘅新人適應率啦。咁同時喺以往本科嘅學習同埋實習中啦，我係具備多文化嘅溝通能力同埋外貿能力嘅，咁其餘咧就係我會有多媒體嘅內容製作能力啦。咁我關注到 Topin 喺近年來咧響可持續發展同埋數字化轉型中嘅創新，我相信以我系統化設計方案啦，同埋商業嘅協助外貿能力同埋多媒體嘅製作能力係可以幫助到貴公司喺未來嘅全球人才發展啦，同埋可持續發展嘅。